Somebody sent me this on Twitter, so please watch.
Y'all, look at this. I'm just a girl. Like, I'm just a girl.
If your tire look like this, please change it immediately. Well, let me tell you why. Hi, my name is Josh. I'm an automotive engineer. I've been working on cars for 17 years, so I might know a thing or two. But let's get into this. This tire right here is bald. I'm talking Mr. Clean bald. I am confident that every time she gets in the car, that Jesus takes the wheel. Because this is crazy. If she has one tire that look like this, I can assume that she maybe have 2 or 3, if not all the tires that look like this. Now, the reason why this is so bad, because if it's like this, that means your tire is super slippery. Think of it like this. Basically, your car has slippers on. And if the rear tires look just like this, that means you're liable or it's very easy for you to spin out. It also makes it so hard to stop. Because the purpose of tires is to help you stop your car, not only move your car. That's why you need tread. Like, I'm legit concerned for her life. Has your tires ever looked like this? And if you want more information to help you understand this, sign up for my Quick Car newsletter. Check the link in the bio and like and follow for more.